All of you, hope you guys are great. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'll give you the 5 projects which you can include in your portfolio to start your career very quickly into the industry, getting job, getting internships, and even getting a freelancing project if you are interested in that. And all of these 5 projects are different in nature, different in categories, and each will teach you something new, and that learning you can take to enhance your blockchain development. So I believe that once you include all of these 5 projects, it will teach you all the necessary tools, programs, logics which you have to know to build any type of dApp in Web3 space, utilizing the backend part or running on the smart contract. That's all it will teach you. So let's start with the very first project which I want to recommend you to add in your portfolio is related to NFT, because NFT is really big concept when it's come to the service sectors, because if you're going to provide any services, that's going to follow the NFT model. So you have to build an NFT marketplace. In that you will build a logic that how a user can create NFT, how you can add different business model on top of that. For example, if you build this NFT marketplace which we have on the channel, that will teach you that how a user can create NFT. Okay, that's a simple process of creating NFT. You can take the same knowledge to sell any kind of service. When you're transferring any good from one location to other location, you can assign an NFT, and that NFT is going to keep the track of entire process, entire transaction which is happening. So that's how you can utilize this NFT concept in the field of supply chain management. So you have to build NFT marketplace. On the second project, I would suggest you to build a Uniswap clone, and that will teach you that how decentralized functions, what is pool, what is liquidity, how you can set the price of a new token, how cryptocurrency exactly work, how it's trade in the marketplace. So the entire concept of trade and cryptocurrency is going to be clear, and you can able to build your own decentralized exchange. So make sure to build the project we have from scratch to end. There I've covered every single thing which you have to know, like how to do the swap of the token with the contract and using the SDK as well. So once you're done with the NFT, after that you have to build the Uniswap clone. After that, you have to build more projects related to the DeFi. So for that, I have included the staking platform, because when it's come to the staking, that's follow the different concept. For example, that you have your own currency and you want to reward user based on the staking or based on certain action which you want them to perform. For example, you want them to stake their token in your smart contract, and in return they will get some of your token. So that's the logic you can build. Or you can create a drop functionality or provide something, some other token. So you have to build this particular project which we have on the channel called staking. In that way you will understand that how to build a logic, how you can perform a certain mathematical calculation to calculate the price of the token, the durations, and how you can interact with multiple contract as well. So understand about it. So that's the third project I would recommend you. After that, I would encourage you to build your own ICO, because that's a very basic project when it's come to DeFi, where you have to launch your own cryptocurrency and sell marketplace where user can come and buy. So there you will understand that how you can attach your cryptocurrency into a sell marketplace so the user can come and they can buy it, and how you can even set the price for that. So that one is the project you have to include. So first you have to build NFT marketplace, then you have to build Uniswap, then you have to build staking, and the fourth one we have is the ICO. So these are the 4 must build projects, and the last project which is the must build project for every single blockchain developer, and that's a Metamask clone. In that you will understand that how this crypto wallet work, how they store your private key, how they allow you to do the transaction, how they make the money, what are the libraries are available to you which you can include to build a Metamask clone, how you can get the Ethereum object, how you can inject the Ethereum object in the back end or in the server side, in the front end. So that will teach you every single thing, because managing the crypto wallet for the user is such a huge task in the company. Wallets, how we can provide more security, that will help you a lot in the long run. So these are the 5 must build project every single Web3 developer has to add in their portfolio if they really want to get a good job. So once you build all of these 5 projects, that means you are ready as a blockchain developer, and you can build any type of application once you build all of this 5 project. So these are the 5 must build project you have to add in your portfolio. And again, I'm telling you that you have to work on your portfolio before you start concerning about the job and internship. Just build your portfolio. Once you will build your portfolio, you will get a huge opportunity. Trust me, you will get a huge opportunity. So these are the top 5 projects which I have recommended to all of you guys. So let me know in the comment that which one you're going to build first, as I suggest you to build in this order, but you can pick any order, but build at least. So that's the only thing from my end. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.